क्या करना है, तो दे स्टार्ट डूइंग वेन डायग्राम. यस, and they sometimes find that their answer is correct. So 50% time they find that their answer is correct and 50% अच्छा ये कैसे हो गया. So they are always in the dilemma, but after this 99% questions will be, I said that, correct. क्योंकि we'll have to see the 16 types of question, लेकिन उसके पहले आप लोगों को कुछ चीज़ें याद करनी होंगी, literally like a kids. Okay? And some rules and regulations will be there. When you remember those rules and regulations, then you can be able to solve the questions easily. Okay? And please don't miss anything. And if I say something right 4 times, 5 times, write that 4 times, 5 times. So, syllogism. First one will say that syllogism is, like I said, kind of deductive reasoning. Yes or no? Deductive reasoning in which our motto is to get deductive reasoning in which our motto is to get conclusion from the or with the help of two statements. With the help of, so two statements के help से we have to create one conclusion. Yes or no? Suppose I said that if 5 statements are given, doesn't matter. मुझे क्या करना होगा? We have to see only 2 statements. Suppose if I say A is brother of B and I said C is brother of D and E is brother of F and I said B is brother of H. तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं इस फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट और इसमें मुझे क्या दिख रहा है? वन टर्म इज कॉमन. यस और नॉट? एंड द रेस्ट वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी. इज इट क्लियर? So for the finding out conclusion, we have to see only 2 statements, and in those 2 statements there should be one middle term or common term. There should be what? One middle term, or I said that what? One common term. If A is the brother of B and B is the brother of H, so I said that we can somewhere we can be able to say, like, not exactly, but we can say that A is the brother of H. Yes or not? A is related to B and B is related to H, means A is related to what? Yes or not? And in the rest we cannot be able to find the reason behind there is no common term. Yes or not? So which 2 statement can give, I said, conclusion? Which 2 statement can give conclusion? The 2 statements having what I said, that one common term, or this is also known as middle term. तो लिख लेंगे. The 2 statements should have one common term. 2 statements should have one common term. It is clear? 2 statement क्या जरूरी है स्टेल में? One common term. I said 2 statements should have one common term, and we can be able to get the what I said, that conclusion. लाइफ में अपनी ओर ध्यान दिया करें. If I say that A is related to H and M is related to E, can I be able to get the conclusion with the help of these 2 statements? No. Can I get? Because there is no common term. There is no, and common term होना चाहिए. Is it clear to you? और इसका मतलब है 2 statement has how many terms? 4 terms. And if there will be 4 different terms, it is known as 4 term fallacy. Yes or not? If the 2 statement has, I said that, 4 different terms, then it will not give conclusion on the basis of what? 4 term fallacy. और यदि मैंने कहा A is related to H and H is related to E, H is related to E, it means H and H is what I said that? Common term. So when the two statement has a common term, then it can be able to give what? A is related to. So I can be able to find out conclusion with the help of two statements. It is clear to you? Yes or not? बहुत आसान लग रहा होगा और मैं आसान बनाते भी जाऊंगा, लेकिन ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट है ना? वाह वाह. You know that when I say that it is easy, you will say okay sir, I will make it easy. यहाँ पे two types of, one it is placebo effect, you know that? मीन्स आई सेड दैट 4 लोग अलग कर दिया, 4 लोग अलग कर दिया, और एक को मैंने बोला दिस इज, आई सेड दैट आई हैव गिवन विटामिन टैबलेट्स एंड आई सेड दैट इट इज रिलेटेड टू कैंसर एंड इट विल सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम, एंड दूसरे को मैंने क्या दे दिया, आई सेड दैट कैंसर टैबलेट्स, यस और नॉट, और मैंने बोला उसको विटामिन से आपको फायदा नहीं करेगा. दे स्टार्टेड ईटिंग. उनको पता था कि इट विल नॉट. सो जब माइंड में एक बार आप सेटअप कर लो कि इट इज, आई सेड दैट व्हाट, फायदा नहीं करेगा, इट विल नॉट हेल्प यू, एंड इनको मैंने कहा कि इट विल हेल्प यू, विटामिन था लेकिन मैंने बोला इट इज रिलेटेड टू कैंसर डिजीज, इट विल स्टार्ट हेल्पिंग देम. यस और नॉट? दैट इज इन द पार्ट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी. आपके अंदर में बायोजेनेटिक चीजें होती हैं दैट विल हेल्प यू टू व्हाट, जनरेट सम काइंड ऑफ हार्मोन्स which help you to what I said that developed immune system. Is it clear? तो ये आपके सोच के ऊपर है. अच्छा फटाफट सर हाँ हार्ड है तो सिविल सर्विसेज तो हार्ड ही होता है. सो डोंट मेक दिस काइंड ऑफ एटीट्यूड. दिस इज, आई सेड दैट, तो इसका मतलब हमें यहाँ पे इसको क्या बोलूंगा मैं, व्हाट आई से दैट इट इज व्हाट, 4 टर्म फॉलेसी, क्योंकि इसमें सारे 4 टर्म्स क्या है टू स्टेटमेंट में डिफरेंट. तो लिखेंगे when in the two statement there are 4 different terms, then it will not give conclusion, then it will not give, and it is known as 4 term fallacy. क्लियर? तो 2 स्टेटमेंट में क्या होना चाहिए, 4 टर्म्स और 3 टर्म्स. एक्चुअली में यदि मैंने बोला A is H, H is E, तो 3 टर्म्स दिख रहे हैं ना एक्चुअल में. यस ना? देयर आर 4 टर्म्स बट 1 टर्म इज, yes or not? Then it will give conclusion. Yes or not? 2 terms are supposed to be, what I said that, common. तो लिखेंगे when in 2 statement there are 4 terms but 2 terms are common, then it will give conclusion, then it will give conclusion, and it is known as 4 term, sorry, then it will give the conclusion. इसको नहीं लिखना है. It is clear? Then clear? So ये आइडिया आपको हो गया. जो हम लोग करेंगे we'll do with the help of some Venn diagram approach and we'll do with the help of some rules. Syllogism, if you'll see, like I said that it is based on the 4 alphabets letter. One, I said that one is universal type of statement. Another is, I said that particular type of statement. listen me carefully. I said all boys are smart. It is universal or particular? इसमें दुनिया के हर बॉयज को ले लिया गया. Yes or not? Yes or not? All boys are gods. अरे जो स्टेटमेंट कह रहा है वो उसी को मानना है हमें. अच्छा नहीं, मैं गॉड नहीं हूं सर. So all boys are gods. It is an universal statement. Every boys work hard. It is universal or not? Arey every means everyone. Yes or not? Now I said that some of the boys are smart. Particular. Some of the boys are dogs. Gods का उल्टा कर दिया आपने. So I said that particular. Many of the boys are chairs. Most of the boys are hook. मेरी बात आप समझ रहे हैं? Most means I said that not all. Yes or not? लेकिन जब आप बुक्स पढ़ते हो तो क्या लिखता है वहां पे? सम देखते हो और ऑल देखते हो, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं पता रहता. बट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट विच स्टेटमेंट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट यूनिवर्सल. अगेन आई सेड दैट ऑल पीपल, ऑल पॉलिटिशियंस ऑफ इंडिया आर करप्ट. क्लियर? समझ में आ रहा है? और यदि मैंने ऑल नहीं बोला, उसके बाद बोला पॉलिटिशियंस ऑफ इंडिया आर करेक्ट, इट मीन्स if nothing is written in the front, even then all is hidden. Yes or not? If nothing is written, even then it is what? Which one is hidden? All. Politicians of India are correct. What is I said that? इसका मतलब all. Ram is corrupt. Universal. राम यदि नेम है तो इंडिया में, वर्ल्ड में कितने राम हो सकते हैं? जितने भी राम होंगे, इट इज द नेम ऑफ ए पर्सन. Can we say that this is the only Ram, or no other can take this name? Everyone can take this name. तो इंडिया में जितने भी राम होंगे, वर्ल्ड में जितने भी राम होंगे, all Rams, इसका मतलब it is hidden, right? Like yes or not? If any name is mentioned और उसके front में nothing is given, it means it is all. Yes or not? Is it clear? Again I said that none of the boys are smart. None of the boys are smart. It is universal. जितने भी boys of the world, they are what? Not smart. And it is earlier जितना भी हमने देखा वो universal positive था. And this is, I said that universal negative. It is clear. I said that no of the students work hard. Universal negative. It is okay. तो आपको ये भी डिटरमाइन करना होगा, यस और नॉट, इट इज एन यूनिवर्सल पॉजिटिव और यूनिवर्सल नेगेटिव. सम ऑफ द बॉयज आर स्मार्ट. व्हाट डज इट मीन? पर्टिकुलर, बट इट इज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव? पॉजिटिव. बट आई सेड दैट सम ऑफ द बॉयज आर नॉट स्मार्ट. पर्टिकुलर, नेगेटिव. तो यही चार प्रकार के होंगे. कैसे होंगे? यूनिवर्सल पॉजिटिव, यूनिवर्सल नेगेटिव, पर्टिकुलर पॉजिटिव, पर्टिकुलर नेगेटिव. इट इज क्लियर? यस. Many of the boys of India are not smart. Particular, negative. मेरे साथ बोलेंगे A, E, I, O. A is universal positive. E is universal negative. I is particular positive. And O is particular negative. Is it clear? So हम लोगों ने देखा इन्वर्सल में टू टाइप्स. विच वन आई सेड दैट? A. It is what I said that universal positive. And I said that E. It is I said that universal negative. And particular में I said yes. Tell me. I said that particular positive. And O particular negative. It is clear? I said that all boys are chairs. Yes? every boys are chairs. What I said that? These are what? And I said that boys are chairs. All are what? Universal positive. अब universal positive छोड़कर ये बोलो, it is a statement. Which statement? A. Is it clear? और मैंने आपको क्लास से पहले ही बोला था कि आज क्लास के जितने बच्चे की तरह बोलेंगे उतना ही आपको कंसेप्ट क्लियर होता चला जाएगा. एट द एंड आपको यही चाहिए कि क्वेश्चन हो जाए सारे के सारे, क्योंकि इस क्वेश्चन ऐसा टॉपिक है सिलोजिज्म. I said that it will take around 2.5 hours first, and the second one it is, I said that most of the students when it does this question they make maximum mistakes. Some, and then their approach to solve the question is only Venn diagram, and therefore 50% questions are correct and 50% questions sometimes they are finding it is not correct. So ये समझ में आ गया. All boys are chairs, it comes under which statement? A. A. Thereafter I said that no boys are chairs. It is in which kind of statement? No boys are chairs means everyone in the corner, also everyone. I said no boys are chairs. It is an universal negative. नहीं बोलो. E. Which kind of statement? E. No boys are chairs. And then I said that some boys are chairs. Some boys are chairs means I said that I. Yes or not? In a particular positive. Some boys are chairs. And here it is. Some boys are not chairs. Some boys are not chairs. And which kind of statement is this? O. O. Yes or not? And it is in a particular negative. So यहाँ पे लिखूँ many of the boys are chairs. Understood? Many of the boys are not chairs. Understood it? कुछ बोलते हैं सर आप एक ही स्टेटमेंट को क्यों बार बार बोल रहे हो? ध्यान में रखना, आगे में इसी में फंसोगे. So please be attentive. ध्यान से. The first I said all boys are chairs. I said that A. I said that suppose this circle represent boys, then this circle is representing chairs. इसका मतलब कि सारे boys क्या हैं? All boys are? Is it clear? All boys are what? Chairs. Is it completely okay in your mind? Next one I said that इसका मतलब है कि all boys, suppose 30 boys हैं और chairs कितने हैं? 100. Yes or not? तो 30 boys are what? Chairs. All boys are chairs. Yes or not? तो 30 boys होंगे वो और पीछे में उसके पीछे 30 chairs छुपे होंगे. So it means I said that all boys are, I said that what? Chairs. Is it clear? Next point I said no boys are chairs. क्या आपस में कोई रिलेशन दिख रहा है? Any relation between them? So we can be able to see that no boys are what I said that. So that will be separate. No boys are chairs. Is it clear? No boys are chairs. And when it has been said like I said that some boys are what I said? Chairs. तो आप लोगों ने जब वेन डायग्राम ऐसा देखा होगा तो ये कैसा है? It is I said what? Overlapping, common. तो इसमें से क्या बोलूँगा? This is for what I said boys and this is for what? तो can I say that इसमें से कुछ boys जो हैं वो क्या हैं? Chairs हैं. और if I say from here the some chairs are, I say that what? Boys. Is it clear? Are you able to